Hi, my name is Lee Parada Fidio, and I'm the chocolate lady. I come from Oyster Bay, Long Island, New York. What brought me here to Powermastery is I needed to change inside. I was a fear-based individual. I heard a friend who had won a trip here talking about Powermastery and how it was designed to be a full weekend immersion and help you get over your whatever and help you find your aha. And I really felt in my heart that I knew that I had fears that are holding me back, obstacles in my life from living, being happy, being successful, affecting my flow, and I knew I needed to change. I wanted to change. So the universe set me on my journey, and I wound up here, and it's probably been one of the most life-altering experiences of my life. I have been to Spoon, walked on broken glass, which I thought I could never do, and did, and it changed me. I feel like today I'm alive for the first time. I woke up this morning truly happy and peaceful and really knowing that my success is right there. And I feel like I am, for the first time, truly in my flow. And Powermastery did that for me. The people here connect, have given me a sense of instant community, better than family, because there's no judgments attached to it, no strings, just love.
Cool.